New tonight, another Kaleida Health facility closing its doors. The Millard Fillmore Surgery Center in Amherst is set to close October 1st. This comes just weeks after Kaleida announced the closure of 2 clinics, citing possible impacts of federal health care cuts. The Buffalo Therapy Services locations on Maple Road in Amherst and at DeGraff Medical Park in North Tonawanda will close on November 10th. I dive deeper into the closure as the healthcare network says that these closures all come down to funding and financial sustainability. Kaleida Health's announcement to close Millard Fillmore Surgery Center in Amherst is yet another blow to patients who rely on services from its facilities. Thursday, Kaleida Health released a statement saying in part, "This decision, while difficult, reflects changes in funding and reimbursement, financial sustainability of this location, and access to similar services in the community. We are extremely proud of the high-quality care that the center's staff and physicians have provided over the years." I reached out to New York Democratic Congressman Tim Kennedy's office for a comment, which released a statement saying the closure is devastating, saying in part, "Unfortunately, this closure is a sign of what is to come from the passage of congressional Republicans and Donald Trump's big ugly law, which cut over $1 trillion from healthcare programs that patients and hospitals rely on. We are seeing in real time the impacts of this cruel legislation come to fruition. There is still time for congressional Republicans to step up and cancel the cuts that will continue." However, New York Republican lawmaker Congressman Nick Langworthy said in August that this is not the result of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act regarding the announcement in August about the healthcare system closing its 2 therapy clinics.
The idea that anything has changed in the 3 months that have elapsed is ludicrous. And they can make whatever excuses they want. They're making business decisions based on their books today, and they've decided those clinics no longer serve their business model. And, I think it's unfortunate that people have lost their jobs.
When the announcement came out about the therapy clinics, various Western New Yorkers shared their shock and devastation. Lisa Lederhouse's longtime partner Patrick has been receiving care since May after suffering an injury from a surgery in January. He receives occupational therapy, physical therapy, and speech therapy, all from this Maple Road location.
Where we go from not here, he wants to keep doing speech and occupational therapy. So he's going to pay for speech out of his own pocket until they close here in November. After that, I'm not sure.
Kaleida Health says that it's working on relocating its 32 employees impacted by the Millard Fillmore Surgery Center closure to other facilities.